everyone, and welcome back to Hacks with Christina, where I show you easy tips to simplify your life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily clean a burned pot, pan, or casserole dish. No matter what the cooking failure was, you'll have your cookware looking like new in no time. First, grab your burned cookware and add a few drops of your favorite dish soap, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and water. If you are cleaning a pot or a pan, place it on the stove and turn the burner on high. Wait for the solution to come to a boil. For a casserole dish, place it in a hot oven and wait for the solution to simmer. Once boiling or simmering, don't let it boil over like I did, remove the cookware from the heat and carefully pour the contents of the pot, pan, or casserole dish in the sink. Grab a 3M non-scratch scour pad and begin scrubbing. The burned-on content should have significantly loosened up with a combination of heat, soap, baking soda, and water, leaving very little of a scrubbing effort for you. The whole scrubbing process took me only 2 minutes. I hope you found this video very helpful. Please be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more hacks. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.